Feeling tired, bloated, or just off lately? It might be time to cleanse your liver. And yes, you can do it naturally, at home, in just 3 days. Without pills, powders, or expensive detox kits. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to detox your liver fast, using the body's own natural systems. And it all starts with something called autophagy. Why liver health matters? Your liver is the ultimate multitasker. It filters toxins, burns fat, regulates hormones, and boosts energy. But if it gets sluggish from processed food, sugar, or stress, everything from digestion to mood can suffer. A backed-up liver can cause low energy, poor sleep, skin breakouts, belly fat, brain fog. The good news is, with the right approach, you can kickstart your liver's natural detox mode fast. The science of autophagy. What is autophagy? It's your body's built-in detox system, a process where your cells clean themselves by eating damaged parts, bacteria, and toxins. Think of it like an internal spring cleaning that clears the junk so your body can repair. This happens inside a tiny structure in your cells called a lysosome, which acts like a microscopic recycling center. When activated, your body starts burning fat, recycling waste, and rejuvenating from within. So the question is, how can you trigger autophagy naturally and quickly? Here are 7 natural ways to boost autophagy and support liver detox. Number 7, eat more plants. Leafy greens, cruciferous veggies, and herbs contain phytonutrients that gently stimulate detox. 6, go low carb. A ketogenic or low-carb diet helps activate cellular repair and fat burning. 5, exercise. Daily movement, especially high intensity, signals your body to clean and rebuild cells. 4, sleep deeply. Your body does major detox work at night. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. 3, calorie restriction. Eating less for a short period pushes your body to start cleansing itself. 2, water fasting. No food, just water. This has been shown to dramatically ramp up autophagy. And number 1, dry fasting. No food, no water. Sounds intense, but it's surprisingly effective, and we'll explain how to do it safely next. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful, even just a little, please take 1 second to smash that like button. It tells YouTube that this video matters, and it helps us share these natural healing tools with more people who truly need them. If you care about your health and helping others improve theirs, please don't scroll past. Click like right now. It means the world to us. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health tips. We appreciate and love you. Now let's get back to what is dry fasting. Dry fasting is the fastest way to activate autophagy and support deep liver detoxification. Here's how it works. During a dry fast, your body produces its own internal water by burning fat. This metabolic water is cleaner than anything you drink. Just 1 day of dry fasting has the detox effect of 3 days of water fasting. It also gives your liver and kidneys a complete rest. To keep things safe and sustainable, do a 12-hour dry fast from sunrise to sunset, no food, no drinks. Now you are asking yourself how to break the fast. At sunset, you'll break the fast with 1 clean, nutrient-dense meal. Stick to 2 detox-friendly foods. 1, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, or cabbage. Bonus, broccoli sprouts have 20 to 50 times the detox power of regular broccoli. These vegetables activate key liver enzymes that flush out toxins. 2, clean protein, meat or fish, beef, lamb, chicken, salmon, or sardines. Protein provides amino acids to build glutathione, the body's master antioxidant for detoxification. Add healthy fats like olive oil or avocado for extra support. Now, here's the full 3-day liver detox routine. From sunrise to sunset, dry fast. No food or drink during daylight hours. Sunset or after 12 hours of dry fast. Break your fast with 1 meal of cruciferous veggies plus high-quality protein. Night, sleep. Let your body continue detoxing effortlessly. Repeat the process for 3 consecutive days. You can do this once a month or even quarterly. This is one of the best ways to cleanse your liver at home. Naturally, avoid detox symptoms. Sometimes liver detox can cause side effects like headaches, nausea, constipation. These are often signs of bile sludge, when bile becomes too thick to flow properly. To prevent that, add beets. It thins out bile naturally. Apple cider vinegar stimulates bile production, or bile salts. It helps break down fats and support liver drainage. Take bile salts on an empty stomach if you feel backed up. Relief often comes quickly. Key reminders. This isn't a starvation plan. It's a strategic way to reset your liver, reduce inflammation, and restore energy. You're letting your body do what it was designed to do: heal and cleanse itself. With just 3 days of clean fasting and smart nutrition, you're giving your liver the break it's been begging for. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.